Hello friends, let's look at this problem. I have redrawn the diagram again, as you can see on the right side. So in this problem basically we should have knowledge of some concepts of trigonometry. Like, let me start from the left side, from here. So few concepts are like sine of any angle is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos of any angle, let's say we have some right triangle, here the angle is theta, so sine of theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos of theta will be base upon hypotenuse. Tan of theta will be perpendicular upon base. So just remember these formulas, right? So which are very important if you are solving any trigonometric problem. One thing is that. Now the second important point is, I am highlighting again here in green, you should memorize all these values. Sine of 0 is 0, sine 31/2. This is the complete table for all the trigonometric values, like sine 30, cos 30, cos 45, tan 45. You should be, most important is to remember these three. If you know these three, you can always figure out the other three. So these three are, and if you know sine and cos, you can always figure out tan, because essentially tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, right? So knowing only sine and cos is good enough. You can figure out everything else. So moving on to the problem. So we are given only this angle to be 60 degree, and ABCD is a rectangle, PQR is a rectangle, so all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. So if this is 60, this is 30, and this is if we look at this rectangle, all the angles are 90, 90, 90, right? So, and we should also know that angles, let's say we have some angle here like this 90, and this is a straight line. If it is 30, so what will be this much? This will be 60, because angles around a point are always 180 degrees. This is third concept, which you first is this thing, then second one is this thing, third one is this concept here. Angles around a point are always 180 degree. Now moving on to the problem, we have figured out all the angles various. Now we have to figure out the area of this rectangle, the shaded portion, PQRS, this rectangle. So for figuring out the area, we need to know the length and the breadth of this rectangle, PR and RS. RS is all RS or PQ. PQ is already given to be 4 because the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, so RS is also 4. This we know. So we have to figure out either QS or PR. So for figuring out QS, so how we approach is like, if we look at, we are also given that BS is equal to SC. So this is A, this is A. So AD will be 2A, just for the sake of it. So now if we look at in triangle BQS, if we look in this triangle, so sine of 30 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So when we say look at this 30 degrees, so then the side opposite to that is perpendicular, which is BS upon QS. QS is the hypotenuse, right? QS is this side, QS. So BS I know to be A on, and sine 30 is 1/2 from this table, if you don't remember that. So QS and QS comes out to be 2A. Till this point we don't know the value of A, right? So if we will just stop, pause the calculations over here. Let's look what we figured out in this triangle RSC. In triangle RSC, we know one of the sides to be 4. RS is 4, right? So we know the hypotenuse. So if we use this formula, cos of 30 degree, we'll be able to figure out the value of SC, because cos 30 will be base, which is RS, right, and upon hypotenuse is SC, right. RS upon SC is equal to 4 by A, right. SC is A, BSC is also A, so A comes out to be 8 by root 3. So this is the fourth concept we used in this of the in this triangle RSC, right. Cos theta is this. So we know the value of A now, 8 by root 3. We can put this value of A over here, which we figured out earlier, in triangle BQS. So QS comes out to be 16 by root 3. Now we know the length of QS. We already know the length PQ. So we know the two length and the breadth of the rectangle PQRS. So we can multiply both of them, and we got the answer of the area to be 64 by root 3. So a lot of concepts you learned in this video, and just review all of these, and you should remember by heart all these values, right. And to remember this, even if you forget, there is just remember this line: some people have curly brown hair, they properly brush, right. Some people have curly brown hair, they properly brush. That's the way to remember it. So lot of learning in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, like, and I'll be very thankful to you. Enjoy learning. Have a great time. Bye.